Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be installing some mud flaps I had on my WRX onto the Ralliart. Let's do it. These are the old Ralliarmor mud flaps that we had on the G3. As you can see, I drilled some holes and stuff like that. They're just the Universal mud flaps. So what we are going to do is we're going to cut around, we're going to get a template and we're going to cut around and we're going to make these fit specifically for the Ralliart. We'll clean these all up and stuff like that, but I want to be using the holes specifically for the bumper here. So you got a couple here, like you actually got like 1, 2, 3 here in there. I want to use that for the rear. And then for the fronts, again, you've got 1 here, 2 here, and a 3rd one down the back right behind the front wheel here. 1, 2, yeah, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 4 actually. Cool, let's get into it. Thanks for joining me, guys. That is going to wrap up this video. Super excited about the mud flaps. I didn't think I was going to actually put them on, but they actually look pretty cool. All right. Pretty happy with them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.